Hello dear students, I'm going to explain here for finding the values of the polynomial when values of the variables are given. So here I go with the first number a. We are asked to find the value of x minus 3 at the values of x 1 and 3. So it indicates two different questions. We have to find the value of x minus 3 when x is given equal to 1, and we have to find the value of same expression x minus 3 when x equal to 3 as well, right? So let's go. Number a I'm going. So here you are given x minus 3, and first at x equal to 1, that's fine. What will be the value? So here we do have x minus 3, is it? And now at x equal to 1, what value will be there we are going to find, is it? So x we have to place here 1, so 1 minus 3, so it results minus 2 since 3 is greater, is it? 1 and minus 3 plus minus subtracted, 3 greater, so sign we are keeping of the greater value, so minus 2. Now for the same question at x equal to 3, what will be the value of it? Let's see. So here again we do have x minus 3, of which we have to find the value, and at x equal to 3 we are finding, so x we replace with 3, so 3 minus 3 you're going to get there 0. So this way we got value of the x minus 3 when x are 1 and 3 respectively. So I guess you are clear with this. Now I go with number b, and for that I erase this number a. Now of number b, here we are asked to find value of x squared plus 3x plus 2. So for three different values of x, we have to find the value of this expression. So first I go with x equal to 1. An expression is here x squared plus 3x plus 2. Right? So at x equal to 1, we are going to find its value. So x we replace with 1. So 1 square plus 3 into x, it means 3 into 1 and plus 2. So we get there 1 square mean 1 into 1. So directly we can say 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, and plus 2. So these all are plus, so they all will get added. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 5. So done. So it was for at x equal to 1. Now we go for at x equal to 2. So here we do have x squared plus 3x plus 2, and now at x equal to 2, what will be its value we have to find out. So x we replace with 2, so 2 square we did, and 3 into x means 3 into 2 plus 2 same. So 2 square is 4, 3 2 is 6 plus 2, so 6 4 10, 10 to 12, all we got added. And now at x equal to minus 1 we go, so same we copy. We do have here x squared plus 3x plus 2, and at x equal to minus 1 we are going to find the value of this expression. So x we have to replace with minus 1, and one very possible mistake is there. You will ignore this minus 1, so you might make mistakes, so be very careful for this thing. So whenever there is minus value, negative value, and you are raising some power, so be very sure you keep it includes under the bracket. So a small bracket I have used, and plus 3 into x, so here 3 into x minus 1, so here also we can apply bracket, and plus 2 is same. And now let's think about this analytically. So minus 1 square mean minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 again. So what will it take? Let's see. So minus 1 get multiplied with minus 1, and then I go for this first. So minus 1 into minus 1, minus and minus, so keep note of this thing. If you multiply minus with minus, it will result plus, and if multiply minus with plus, it will result minus. Be very sure of this thing. So minus and minus multiply, it will produce plus, and 1 into 1, it will multiply 1, and 3 into minus 1, and plus and minus there, so minus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 2 same, so 1 minus 3 plus 2 you do see, so equal to Now I will conduct this 1 and minus 3 first. Any two you can conduct at first. So 1 minus 3, they will get subtracted. 2 you get, 3 greater, so minus 2. And minus 2 plus 2, it resulted 0. So that's it. So we went for this number B. I guess you all have been clear. Now I go with C, and before that I erase this number B answer. Okay, and I go with number C. So your expression has two variables, x and y. That is why there are given values of x and y both. So here exists two questions. First question is this, where at value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 2 you have to find value of this expression. And second question is this, where we have to find the value of the given expression at values of x and y, 2 and minus 2. So I go with the first pair. So I say here at x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So expression we do have here is x square minus 2xy plus y square. So what we go here is we replace x with 2 and y we receive that we replace with 2. So you see first x, so I replace with 2, square same, and 2xy means 2 into x into y. So 2 into x we do have 2, and again into y also we do have 2, and y square means 2 square. So 2 square 4, 2 2 2, that is 8, and plus 2 square is 4. So I go with this last two, or I go with second and third to calculate. So first 4 I'm keeping same. Then for minus 8 plus 4, minus and plus we know it will get subtracted. So from 8 if you subtract 4 you get there 4, 8 greater, so minus we keep. Is it? And now 4 and 4 they got subtracted, it results 0. So it's for the first question of this. And now we go with the second question of the same, where x and y they are given 2 and minus 2. So at x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. So here we do have x square minus 2xy plus y square, is it? And there we are going to replace x with 2, 2 into 2, and y with minus 2. So I'm keeping here bracket when I am keeping here minus 2, is it? And plus y square, here also I will keep bracket and square. All right, so 2 square means 2 into 2, that gets 4. Minus into minus is plus, so 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Is it? 2 3 times you multiply, it will get 8. And here minus 2 squares, so this already I have explained. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, so you can show it minus 2 into minus 2. So 4 plus 8 you get that 12, and minus minus multiplies plus, so outside there is plus, so same plus, and 2 2 is 4, so 12 plus 4 is 16. So we got the answer for number C. And now we go with number D, and for this I'll raise this answer of number C. Okay. I'm going with D. So in number D we are given here expression x cubed minus 2x squared plus y, and at values of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 we have to find value of this expression. So I go for at x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, I'll say. So here equal to x we replace with 1, y we should replace with again 1. So x I replace first with 1 cube, and 2 into x square means 1 square, and y I replace with 1. So 1 cube means 1 multiplied for 3 times, it will get again 1, is it? 1 into 1 into 1, 1 cube, that means. And minus 2 into 1 square, 1 multiplied with 1, so that is 1, and plus 1. So 1 we multiply 3 times, it again gets 1, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1. So, and you may take caution that you will not interfere minus and plus if many plus signs are available there. So we see here plus 1 and plus 1, is it? So let's operate them first, is it? It will be more convenient, or it will be very safe sided. right? So 1 plus 1 I keep first together, and minus 2 I do. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2, that results in 0. So answer of D for the first one, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, we got. And now we go for the second one, at x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Right? So for this, we first copy x cube minus 2x squared plus y, of which we have to find the value, and now x and y we have to replace with minus 1 and minus 2. So x I am going to replace with minus 1, so cube is there, and minus 2 into x square, I mean minus 1 square, and plus y is minus 2. So here minus 1 cube we see, it means what? Minus, we have to multiply 3 times. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, is it? And then there next is minus 2 into minus 1 square. So minus 1 square mean minus 1 multiplied with 2 times. Same, minus 1 into minus 1. And plus into minus 2, that get minus 2. So here we multiplied minus 1 for 3 times. So if we multiply negative value for odd time, it will produce again minus. It means minus you multiply 5 times, minus will be produced. Minus you multiply for 7 times, again minus will be produced. Or minus you multiply for 11 times, it will again will be produced minus. So here we are multiplying minus 3 times. Right, so now it's going to produce minus. Right, you may check literally also, minus into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, and plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So so that idea will make you more clear. Minus you multiply odd time, any odd time, 3 5 7 9 11, any, is it, it will result negative again. So here sign is negative for this product of 3 minus. Now 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 1 anytime you multiply, it results again 1. And here also we see minus getting multiplied 3 times, 1 2 and 3, is it? So it's going to produce us minus, and 2 into 1 is 2, and the last one minus 2 we copy same. So here we find minus 1 minus 2 and minus. So all minus are there, these are not getting multiplied, these are getting added, right? So same sign we see anytime we have to add, either they are all plus or either they are all minus, we have to add, right? So minus 1 minus 2 we add, and we get there minus 5. So I have that this number D I made it clear. Now I'm going with number E, and for that I erase this number D. Now number E I'm going. So here also two equations involved, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. At that values of x and y, we have to find the value of this trinomial expression. So first we go that. So at x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So your expression we are given xy square minus 2xy plus y square. So let's keep their values. So x we do have 2 into, and y we do have 1, so 1 square, y square, so 1 square, and minus 2 into x into y, so x is 2, y is 1, and plus y square, so 1 square, is it? Very simple. And now 2 into 1 square is 1 into 1, is it? And minus 2 into 2 into 1, that is 4 into 1, so 4, and 1 square mean 1 into 1, that is 1. So here 2 into 1 is 2, and minus 4 plus 1. So you may make positive keeping together, or directly you can go with any of the two terms first. So I'm going with operating second and third. So here minus and plus you see, so they must be subtracted. So 3 you get, and greater is 4, so sign we have to take from that, so minus we keep. And similarly we do this last one, 2 minus 3, is it? So they will get subtracted, 1 we get, 3 greater, so minus we have to keep. So it's for the first question for this number E. Now for the second one, at x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 equal, is it? So here we do have xy square minus 2xy plus y square, is it? So here value of x and y are 0 and 0, so x is 0, y also 0, 0 square we do see, minus 2 into x into y, so 2 into 0, and y square means 0 square. So 0 anytime you multiply, or you multiply with any other number, alright, it results again 0. So here 0 into 0 square is 0, and 2 0 0 0, 2 into 0, so that is 0, 0 square also 0. So whatever you do, it's going to get 0. So answer of it is 0. So I guess I made you clear with all this number from A to E for this number 3, where we have to find the value of any polynomial consisting one variable or consisting with two variables at given values of x, or given values of x and y. So next number of 4 we'll be seeing in next video.